How to fix Wi-Fi network not showing up in laptop. So if you want to fix the Wi-Fi network not showing up in your laptop, then what you need to do is you need to open up your settings at first. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with network and internet. Once you're under the network and internet, now you just need simply go with the right side, and here you will have Wi-Fi option, right? But if you don't get the Wi-Fi option right here, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with troubleshoot. So go with advanced network settings, and here you will have an option of troubleshoot. But if you don't have the troubleshoot option, you just need to simply go with network reset, and here you need to go with the right side which has reset option. Just go and reset your network. Once you reset, then your problem will be fixed. You just need to simply go and restart your device, and after resetting and after restarting your device, you will have the Wi-Fi option. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi network not showing on your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.